Hello everyone, welcome back to Spotter YouTube channel. As we know together guys that when there's an incoming phone call on our WhatsApp, whether it's a video call or a regular phone call, there will be a ringtone on our mobile phone. And we can choose our WhatsApp ringtone by setting it in the WhatsApp notification settings section. And we can change WhatsApp ringtone using the music that you want. And here's the tutorial on how to change the WhatsApp ringtone by your favorite music on Infinix CT10 Pro easily. Alright, firstly you can go to WhatsApp, then click three dots on the top and you can click settings. And now you can scroll down and go to notification. So now you can scroll down again and go to ringtone over here. And if the music you want is not available here, then you have to add it first in the settings. So now you can go back first and go to settings menu over here. And you can scroll down and go to sound and vibration. You can click and then you can pick one of SIM 1 or SIM 2. And then you can click add ringtone over here. And you can click the music that you want. And then the music that you want will available on ringtone settings. Alright, now you can go back to WhatsApp. And then you can go to calls ringtone again. And now you can look for your favorite music and make it as your ringtone of your WhatsApp. Alright, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching.